working with a 2005 Honda Accord, and I'm removing the whole ignition assembly. These are breakaway bolts. So you see I got this one loose already. You just kind of get a screwdriver and a hammer and bang grooves into it. Kind of hit at an angle so you can get it loosened up. So I got this one already loose. Pull this out. And got the next one over here. So what you want to do is, you want to get a screwdriver. You can either hammer a groove at the top and unscrew it, or you can kind of hit at an angle like this with a hammer on the back side of it and kind of whack it this way, and that'll get it to come loose. But once you hit it a couple times, it'll break free and you can get that bolt out just like how I got the first one out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna knock it free, and I'll show you how it works, and we'll go from there. So you can see here where I created like a kind of like a grooving on the side over here. So now I can kind of just rotate out of there like a normal screw would, and that's pretty much how you remove these bolts that don't have a head on it from a ignition switch or ignition cylinder on a Honda or any other car that has the same bolts. Till next time, like, share, subscribe. So car repairs. Peace.